Happy birthday, Kenji! Wow, that's nice. How many minutes? Okay, you got sorry. You got 7 seconds. Next one, what's your name? Okay, Patricia. You made it long, okay? Happy birthday, Kenji! 10 seconds. Okay, you got 5 seconds. Next is, what's your name? Okay, you got 8 seconds.
Nice.
Next is the cute one. What's your name?
Louis. Mimi.
Okay, you got 8 seconds and 53 milliseconds. Okay, next one, what's your name? Make it long, Sebastian, make it long. Okay, go. Okay, how many seconds? You got 3 seconds. Okay, we'll be the winner. Alright, we have 2 kids who have the same time. Alright, I want Ayabella and Mushi to stand in front. And let's do it again, okay? Alright, Ayabella, you first. Say, happy birthday, Kenshin. Okay? Okay, make it longer, okay? In 3, 2, 1. Alright, Ayabella, are you ready? Okay, 1, go. Alright, Ayabella, you got 5 seconds. Okay, Mushi, can you beat 5 seconds of Arabella? Ayabella, yes. Okay, Mushi, are you ready? Happy birthday!
Okay,
Alright, we have